The DK Series portable commercial dehumidifier with the rugged design, energy efficiency. Their capacity is from 70 to 150 liters per day. It can cover from 100 to 250 square meters space. It can widely used in museum, library, MR room, power distribution room, and so on. We sell more than 25,000 units per year. The 90 liters is the most popular in Asia and the US market. We get the good feedback from our partners and end users.
HP Series industrial dehumidifiers, compact design, save room space, more convenient and easy for transportation. Capacity range from 116 free liters to 916 liters per day, are widely applied to like logistics, warehouse, agriculture, and so on. One unit can cover areas from 200 to 1,500 square meters. Currently, 418 liters is the best seller. The sales increase rapidly and going to get more and more positive feedbacks online. Customers and some professional buyers who has knowledge on dehumidifiers are all preferring bigger capacity. For more application areas and cases, don't hesitate to contact us for more details. Looking forward for our further discussion. Thank you.